Hello friends, welcome to Injagutans. In Malayalam, the native language of Kerala, the pronunciation is closer to Keralam, Keralam, Keralam. But for non-native speakers, Kerala is a commonly accepted pronunciation. Kerala, Kerala, Kerala. Practice saying it slowly and clearly to get the pronunciation right. Kerala, 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 Kerala. Thanks for listening.